welcome to American Bakery in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for chocolate crinkle cookies. So let's get started. First of all, our ingredients. We need 1 cup or 125 grams of cocoa powder, 1.5 cups or 300 grams of sugar, half a cup or 110 milliliters of oil, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon espresso powder, which is optional and we are not using today, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup or 125 grams of powdered sugar. In a large mixing bowl, mix together cocoa powder, sugar, and oil. Beat in vanilla and eggs one at a time. Add baking powder, espresso powder, salt, and flour. Chill the dough briefly to help it not be quite so sticky. Spoon the dough into powdered sugar and roll into balls. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 13 minutes. They rise quite a bit. These chocolate crinkle cookies are soft and cake-like. They make me think of Christmas. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.